Okay, take 273. Here we go. Dustin, my man, hope you're having a good time on your vacation. Here's a little refresher video of some of the stuff we've been working on. I'm mainly going to start with the strumming over the riffs that we've been working on. And that first one, remember, starts on the C. And all we're doing is adding down our pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's going to look like this. Then our next one we had comes out of the E chord, and remember all it is a I think we played it really slow, but we eventually want to segue into be more of a hammer-on pull-off exercise. But going slow. Again, that is open to open on the D, open to open on the A, and then back into our A chord. Or, I'm sorry, back into our E chord. If we get it sped up. That's the kind of sound we're aiming for with this. Good. And last but not least, we had one that was kind of more in the vein of Willie Nelson, who played an A and an E. I think I gave you the simplified version of one of my other riffs, and it kind of went like this. Slowing that down for you, all we're doing is we're starting with our A. We're doing a slide from the 2 on the D to the 4. So it's going to go. And 4 on the A. So again, that's 2 to 4 on the D, back to 2 to open on the D to 4. And then from there, I think we just went to the E. The extended version of that would sound something more like this. All we're adding there is, instead of ending right here like we were before and sliding into our E, we're going to finish out by going 4, 2, and open on the A, and then into our E. So all together, it sounds like this. Okay. And then, among other things, I really want to hound our bar chords. We're doing so good, and I think last week we finally made some headway with the realization of where those shapes are kind of derived from. Remember, if we're starting the bar chord with the root note on the E string, in this case, we're going to start on the 5th fret, so it's going to be an A. Remember that this is our shape for the A major bar chord. Notice that it's also the same shape for our E major, except the bar is just the open strings now. All we have to do to make it minor is simply lift up our middle finger, similar to what we see for the E minor. So here's our E major, right? All we're doing for the E minor is lifting up that finger for just those 2 fingers to play. Same thing here. Remember that if we started on the 2nd string, a little bit similar to what we learned with the A, we got the A right here, looks like this. We're going to slide it up here to make it our D position. Just like that. Bar it a little bit better for you. And then to make it minor, same thing. We got our A minor here looking like this. So in this case here, I'll show you what the transposition would look like. Right? And then we're going to slide it up to our D position. Just like that. Last but not least, remember to review your scales. I'm mainly concerned with the minor pentatonic for now in the first 3 positions. I think I also asked you to take a look at the 4th position on your own. I'm not going to go over those in the video, but I will send that sheet to you if you need to take a quick look at that. All right, my man, I hope that was a good little review for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week.